The 2024 Renault Scenic E-Tech Electric, unveiled at the IAA Mobility 2023 Motor Show, caters to families prioritizing sustainability. Renault aims to align with its next-gen automotive manufacturing goals, reflecting a commitment to carbon neutrality in Europe by 2040 and globally by 2050. The Scenic's evolution since 1996 mirrors changing family travel dynamics. Featuring an 87 kilowatt-hour battery and 160 kilowatts motor, the Scenic promises a 379-mile range, pending WLTP certification. The innovative Solarbay glass roof, rear armrest, and the OpenR Link multimedia system with 50-plus apps enhance comfort and connectivity. Renault collaborates with composer Jean-Michel Jarre for a unique sound experience, reinforcing the brand's identity. Renault's environmental commitment extends to using recycled materials, with up to 24% of the Scenic's content being recycled. The European model offers 3 trims, including the top-tier Iconic, a first for Renault's all-electric vehicles, set to launch in early 2024. The exterior design emphasizes groundbreaking architecture with a flat floor, large wheels, and a Solarbay panoramic roof, providing adaptability for modern families. The unveiled logo and LED adaptive vision lights showcase Renault's latest brand identity, while aerodynamic efficiency is prioritized throughout the design. The interior boasts a standout feature, the Solarbay panoramic glass roof, and clever storage options. The Scenic offers up to 38.7 liters of storage, including a 545-liter boot that expands to 1,670 liters with folded seats. Sustainable materials and innovative features, like the Relax mode, contribute to the overall interior design. Electronica pioneer Jean-Michel Jarre collaborates with Renault to create unique vehicle sounds, enhancing the driving experience. The multi-sense modes, living lights, and the OpenR Link multimedia system with Google built-in further enrich the interior environment. The Scenic E-Tech Electric, built on the modular CMF-EV platform, offers 2 powertrain configurations. The battery design, using LG's NMC technology, optimizes energy density, with a heat pump aiding in energy recovery. 4 levels of regenerative braking enhance efficiency. Safety features include more than 30 advanced driver assistance systems, with the innovative Safety Coach offering personalized advice on driving style. The Active Driver Assist combines various functions for a predictive response to road conditions. Sustainability is a core focus, with Renault's commitment to using recycled materials, innovative glass roof design, and partnerships for glass recycling. The Scenic E-Tech Electric sets a benchmark for greener mobility, aligning with Renault's vision for a sustainable future. The 2024 Renault Scenic E-Tech Electric combines cutting-edge technology, sustainable practices, and family-friendly design, making it a compelling option in the electric vehicle market.